Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share your WhatsApp location on to your friends or your family members. So for that, open your WhatsApp, and as you can see, this is my friend. So how can I share him my location? So in order to do that, you just need to press this plus icon here, and from here you select tap this location button, and then you will be after some time, as you can see it's saying searching. You need to wait for some time, and after that, as you can see, now it has loaded. So there will be two options. As you can see, it says share live location. If you tap this button, as you can see, if I tap here, it will be sharing your live location to the person. So as you can see, there are options. You can share it for 15 minutes or 1 hour or 8 hours. It depends on you. So if you want to share live location, you just tap 1 hour. Then after that, as you can see, this will be your location when you share your live location. So after that, you just tap this, and as you can see, my live location has been shared to this person. As you can see, I can stop the sharing from here, and currently this person will be able to see my location whenever if I move somewhere. He will be able to see that I'm moving. So this is how you share live location. And if you want to share normal location, then go to the again, and you can see this send your current location. It says accurate to 30 meters. Just tap here once, and as you can see, this will be a normal location. So if you move, so for example, if you change your location to somewhere else, it will still be the location which you have previously sent. So yeah, that's how you share your location on WhatsApp.